Marriage is what brings us together today. Marriage, that blessed arrangement, that dream within a dream. Marriage is the promise between two people who love each other, who trust that love, who honor one another as individuals in that togetherness. It enables the two separate souls to share their desires, longings, dreams, and memories, their joys and sorrows, and to help each other through all the uncertainties of life. They will laugh and cry, dance and sing, and above all else, celebrate their love with your blessings. Let these rings be a sign that love has a past, a present, and a future through you and within you.